Hope you all are good. Welcome to the English Academy. This video is all about chapter 17 of the novel A Little Princess by Frances Hossan Burnett, and this chapter is titled as It is the Child. Students, in this chapter, Mr. Carrisford discovers that the starving, overworked servant girl next door is Sarah Crewe, the long lost daughter of his late friend Mr. Ralph Crewe. After she returns a escaped monkey, this discovery marks the end of Sarah's harsh life in Miss Minchin's attic and confirms her identity as a wealthy heiress. Student, it was a brief overview of the chapter in which we came to know that in this chapter we are going to find or learn that Mr. Carrisford finally found or discovers that the girl who is living a miserable life next door is actually the child whom he was searching for since so long. She is the daughter of his late friend Mr. Ralph Crewe. And from on now onwards, Sarah does not need to live that life in the attic because finally she is going to have her wealth back. The next day, the large family is at Mr. Carrisford's house trying to cheer him up because Mr. Carmichael still has not found Ralph Q's child. It is about the day when the large family and the children were trying to cheer him up because Mr. Carrisford was depressed and despair because he came to know that Carmichael has not found the child yet. Oh, Picus, we know where she is anyway. Mr. Carrisford is really bummed out and just about ready to give up. At that very moment, Ramdas comes in and says that the child from next door has come in to deliver the monkey. This is going to be good. Actually, what happened? Mr. Carrisford's monkey jumped into Sarah's attic, if you remember in the last chapter, and Sarah thought that early in the morning she will return the monkey. Till the morning, she has kept the monkey with her in the attic, and now this is the day when Sarah visited Mr. Carrisford's house in order to return his monkey. Ramdas is the one who broke the news of Sarah's arrival in the house. Mr. Carrisford says that he would like to see her since he has been providing all these nice things for her after all and tells her to come in. Mr. Carrisford was also curious about this child because he came to know that she is living such a miserable life in such a young age and she is dealing with so many things at the same time. So he wanted to see the child, that who the child is, and he also wanted to talk to her. Anyway, he asked Ramdas to bring her in the house. Sarah comes in and says that she will hand it over to the Lasker, that's mean to Ramdas. When Mr. Carrisford asks how she knows about Laskers, she says she was born in India. What a coincidence. Mr. Carrisford suddenly seems extremely interested in Sarah's circumstances. He has Mr. Carmichael ask her about how she came to be a scullery maid at Miss Minchin's. Sarah says that at first she was a pupil, but then her father lost all his money and died. She says that her father's friend took all his money and that her father's name is Ralph Crewe and he died in India. In this way, Mr. Carrisford came to know that Sarah is the same child whom he was searching for. When she came in the house, she was having a conversation with Mr. Carrisford, in which it was discovered that Sarah has lost her father and her father was deceived by his friend into some business, and just because of that friend she has lost her father, and that is why she actually came from India, and that is why she has to live this life. Everyone freaks out for a moment, and Sarah doesn't really know why, because this is the same story which everyone was listening, everyone know about it. This is the same child whom Carrisford was searching for, whom Carmichael was searching for. So as soon they heard the story from Sarah herself, so everyone was very much astonished, surprised, overwhelmed, you can also say. Finally, they tell her that they have been looking for her this whole time, all 2 years, and that Mr. Carrisford is her father's friend. So in this way, the misunderstanding was clear, or you can say that Mr. Carrisford finally came to know that Sarah is the girl whom he was searching for, whom everyone was searching for around Mr. Carrisford, you can say. And he also told that she is the child whom he was searching from last 2 years, you can say. And in this way, Sarah came to know that she was being searched by Mr. Carrisford, and Mr. Carrisford came to know that she is the same child who was living next door. And also he knows that he was providing so many things to her, he wanted to see her. And when Sarah came inside, they were having a conversation. In the conversation, it was clearly stated that Sarah is the girl. So that is why the chapter is named as It Is the Child, because it is the child whom they were searching for. I hope that this chapter is clear to everybody. It was quite simple and easy one, because the novel is about to wind up. So there is no more, you can say there are no more lengthy chapters, and very much detail is left, because we are heading towards winding up the novel. We are only left with two chapters. Chapter 18, I Tried Not to Be, and chapter 19, which is the last chapter of the novel. And I hope that this chapter is clear to everybody. But still, if you want to ask any question regarding it, you can ask me in comment section. And for chapter 18, you need to watch the video that has been posted on the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.